Fraxinus excelsior F. diversifolia information. Fraxinus excelsior is a species of deciduous tree commonly known as the European ash. The variety diversifolia is a cultivar of Fraxinus excelsior that is notable for its variegated foliage. The leaves of Fraxinus excelsior F. diversifolia are green with creamy white margins, giving the tree an attractive appearance. The tree is typically medium-sized, growing up to 20 to 30 meters tall, and it is native to Europe and parts of Asia. Fraxinus excelsior F. diversifolia is a popular ornamental tree in parks and gardens due to its unique appearance. It is a hardy tree that tolerates a wide range of soil types and can grow in full sun to partial shade. In terms of propagation, Fraxinus excelsior F. diversifolia can be propagated through both seed and cuttings. However, since it is a cultivar, it is recommended to propagate through cuttings to maintain the unique characteristics of the variety. Overall, Fraxinus excelsior F. diversifolia is a beautiful and unique tree that can add interest and variety to any landscape.